make steam.
And I use it.
And he uses it.
So who gives it the gas? That's you?
I'm the engineer, he's the fireman. He makes the steam, I use the steam.
Great.
I heard all that steam come out the last trip, right? Is that what you let out?
That's why we couldn't take it.
Right.
We used to take riders where we blow down, but then all of a sudden somebody in management decided it was too noisy for the guests and we didn't want to hurt the guests.
Oh. Well, you can show the bottom.
What? Oh. Okay, go ahead. Try it again. Okay. You don't have to tilt your head.
Well, oh, okay. Look at this in the train. You don't have your face though.
Okay.
That's alright.
So we're up here in the very front engine. That's the steam man over there. And he applies the brakes and acceleration.
As fast as we're allowed to go is approximately 10 miles an hour.
How fast could it go?
Probably about 30.
30?
Oh, wow. Yeah. When those parks close, you ever go? I'm kidding.
Parks closed, we go home.
We gotta put this thing away and polish it at night.
Oh, wow.
We don't have to go to crew release it.
So what do you guys pull it off somewhere?
Yeah, we'll show you around.
Oh, okay.
We back it into the roundhouse, disconnect the cars, pull forward a little bit under the stacks, and we have to polish the outside of the tender. They have a night crew that comes in and cleans the cars. I don't know why they haven't trained them to clean the locomotive.
Yeah. So is this one of the original ones from day one? Yeah.
Wow.
In fact, it is even though it's number 2, it's the first one that was on the track. Walt used to, we didn't have the top on it that time. Walt used to drive around and check on the construction of the park on this locomotive.
Oh,
But see, they built the railroad first, and then they built the park around it.
Oh, that is so
Oh,
cool.
I got you. Okay.
Why did you just call it number 2, or just?
Well, when they built 1 and 2 locomotive, they just went ahead and named them 1 and 2, but apparently this one must have been finished first.
Oh,
This is the one he used. Then we have 3 other locomotives that were actually working locomotives that we acquired from other people. And we refurbished them. They're all Baldwin engines, and the oldest one was built in 1894.
wow.
And then there was one in 1902, and the other one was 1925.
Wow. So they last a long time.
Oh yeah. One and 2 was built in 1954. So these are our latest.
Oh, wow.
So did you do railroad work prior to this? Oh, no? No? Okay.
We only have one fella here that came from the railroad after we retired. Everybody else came from various.
Gotcha.
So you just get trained and.
They have their own training program.
I control the fire with this. Control the draft through the fire. This controls the atomizer the fuel. This injects pure fuel into the slide steam and hits it. There's no gas, water, I have in water.
Oh, I see that.
So the boiling pressure. No water temperature inside from 350 degrees. That's why it's so noisy when we blow it down.
We're moving everything.
I know, huh? That's interesting. You can feel like the motion there.
You can feel like the
You're
floor
on a
move.
separate car. You're different from us. See this pin right here? That's a hinge pin. That's pulling
Oh,
that car.
yeah. You can feel it. You can feel it.
You're on the tender. We're in the engine.
So how often do you have to fill it up with water? Every 2 hours?
Actually, there's enough water to go for 4 hours, but we automatically do it every 2 hours because then we also oil certain spots.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, like, what's the kind of oil for?
That way we don't run out of water and we stay on our schedule for oiling.
Does it take a long time to do that or no?
Do the oiling?
And the water?
We do it at a stop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can have water stuff. We use about 150 gallons an hour.
Wow.
Whoa, wow.
Oh,
I'm putting water in right now. That's what that noise is.
oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Cold water coming out of the tank comes up through here. Steam coming through the boiler. And then the steam injects it into the boiler because the boiler's up to 125 pounds.
Wow. How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing it for about 9 months.
Oh, really? So,
You guys got a better job in the house, though. I
Yeah.
guess summertime it's got to be a little warm, though, huh?
Summertime is kind of daylight today is very nice.
Yeah.
In the summer it gets about 135 degrees.
Oh, wow.
wow.
That's when you can shed some pounds.
And then
It
it's
doesn't seem to work though. Because you have lunch or something, then you sit all afternoon.
Yeah.
That's true. You don't hear any of the stuff at all back there, the story and all. You don't hear nothing. You notice that? At least you guys don't have to listen to the whole story and over and over and over again. That's good.
After a while, you don't hear it anyway.
Yeah, it's like that.
Christmas, this is nice. You guys all lit up the lights.
Oh yeah, we loved it. We came out here. It was gorgeous. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
The water rails are on top and the trains are on the bottom.
Down the street, we come down. The door's closed right now.
Oh. I always wondered about that. I thought you just kind of put them at each station or something. Battery's about to die, and I'm just going to let it go as far as I can.
Yeah. Night vision, dinosaur.